Bat12 Project is an amazing set of daily publications which can help buyers and sellers to be even more successful on Bring a Trailer. In addition to being a substantial repository of current and historical auction data, it is a great daily read. Your auction will close within the hour. It's time to play auctioneer. Like any good auctioneer, you will use the crowd to your advantage. And because the Bat12 Project comment summary on your auction has been published, you have the exact resource to cherry-pick snippets from the auction summary to post to your comment stream. Log into the Bat12 Project and go to the Bat12 Project webzine shortlist. Select today's Bat12 Project auction summaries listing. In the search form, enter all or part of your vehicle's description and submit the search. You will be taken to the vehicle's auction comment summary. Scroll down to the positive comment summary and copy it to a Word document or other temporary save location. Now go to your auction's comment thread, add an exclamation wrapper, paste in the positive comment summary, edit it for maximum effect, submit the comment to your Bring a Trailer comment thread, and remind your bidders why they need to win this auction. If you haven't checked out Bat12 Project yet, try a free demo subscription. Simply use the code CARS and Coffee to register. Get the free demo and check it out now.